This is the time to conclude our magnet therapy class. Determination of the scientists from countless experiments in the field of biomagnetism might be summed up as: living systems are really sensitive to magnetic fields, and the magnetic result reaches each cell in the body on account of highly pervasive quality of magnetism. As the total body is infused with electrical energy and magnetic fields live in every part of it, magnets, if correctly applied, exercise a favorable effect on the electrical response behavior pattern. Qualitative and quantitative outcomes of a magnetic field are visible on tissues and on cellular metabolism. It has been confirmed that fibroblast proliferation and fibrosis are abreast in magnetic fields. A fundamental interaction exists between the function of the system, a nervosum central and external magnetic fields. Outcome on the blood picture and on red blood cell sedimentation rate ESR result by exposure of the organism to a ceaseless magnetic field which initiates biochemical alterations. A magnetic field may exert direct influence on the back part of the brain, controlling the endocrine system and the forebrain. Magnetic treatment has a steadying effect on the genetic code. A magnetic field brings about predominantly a repressive effect. Put differently, it prevents a disease from formulating and spreading. Magnetism touches on each cell and tissue of the body of the organism on account of its extremely pervasive character. These determinations by assorted experiments living in different widespread countries go a long way in building the therapeutic utility of magnetism and explain to some extent how and why a magnetic field is able to remedy a number of basic and serious human ailments with no medicinal aids. The experimenting biomagnet practitioner and exercising magnetotherapist have demonstrated that magnetic discourse drives out all sorts of bodily pains, help in rapid healing of wounds and broke bones, dissolves any clots in the blood vessels, washes away stones in kidneys and gallbladder, and heals such diseases as arthritis, asthma, eczema, inflammation, palsy, polio, slip disc, spondylitis, stiffness, swelling, tumors, and so forth, and even cancer in initial degrees.